211 million, itong trilyanes na ito, utok bulinaw. Sabi ko, noon sa kanilang panahon, kung may 211 million ako, hanapin ninyo ang records, idemanda ninyo ako. Kayo may hawak sa power. Kayo may hawak ng central bank, anti-money laundering. Idemanda ninyo ako. So, sige pa rin ng ABS-CBN. Nung na-presidente ako ngayon sinabi ko, panahon ko na, sige, buksan ninyo lahat, hanapin ninyo. Meski kalahati lang kung meron ako, I will resign as President of the Republic of the Philippines. Sinabi ko, kung may involved ng korupsyon ang anak kong mayor or my son was the vice mayor, sabi ko, pag na-involved sa korupsyon ang pamilya ko, kung nakialam sa pera ng bayan, I will step down. Walang problema yan sa akin.
Itong drug smuggling man sila, they should be prosecuted in court. And if convicted, they should serve sentence in jail. Hindi ko pipigilan yan. Kung anak ko, kung totoo, if there is an iota of truth. Iota lang, baski konti lang. You can find out, may nilagay siya ng records. Now, I'm willing to execute an affidavit or kayo na lang to summon the banks pursuant to my waiver. Kung may totoo lang baski isa, I will hang myself in front of you. You can summon, I will sign a waiver, all banks. Pati yung World Bank ng Amerika. Kung may isang totoo lang nakiting, I will resign and I will ask my daughter to resign and everybody in the family. That is my guarantee. And I will hang myself. If I'm lying or if my statements are falsely stated, if there is an iota of magbigti ako. So, in the same manner na kung magbigti ako si Trillanes, dapat magsabay rin sa akin.
Okay, duly noted of your thoughts, Mr. President. The former President be okay that if we draft the waiver now, that it be signed today instead of tomorrow? Will you be fine with that, Mr. President?
Anong kapalit, sir?
Hindi.
Sampalin ko sa publiko.
Hindi, wala naman.
Ngayon na.
Wala pong ganunan.
Mr. Chairman.
I'll give you sasampalin ko sa
Mr. Chairman.
Session suspended.
Session suspended.
Sabi